Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video we are going to set up the environment variable for Java. As you know, Java is a language developed by Oracle and the JCP, Java Community Process. They decide how Java is going to evolve, what's the evolution for the next iterations with new features. And Java is a language that has a really strong convention. So this means that from the configuration to how you should write your code, there is a pattern you should follow. We are going to see this pattern in way more details throughout the videos, but everything in Java has kind of a convention that you should follow. It's technically not mandatory, but first, you may lose a job opportunity if you are saying that you are a job developer and you are not following the convention. Secondly, there are some conventions that everybody's expecting you to do. So the first one here is the configuration. What we are going to do here, everybody else is expecting you to do exactly in this same way. What is this way? We are going to set up the environment variable called Java Home. Basically, we have to tell where our Java is installed, and we have to create a variable that other applications, they can search for it, because I installed Java in the default location, but some people, they install in a different place. But as long as you configure the environment variable, everything will be fine. So how do we do that? So first, if you open CMD, you can see here that I am inside my directory, William. And if you type Java, there is a chance that you will get is not recognized as internal or external command. Or if you type Java compiler, the same. Or there's a chance that you will see something. And if you see something, maybe you do have, not this one, but you do have this in your environment variable. So for example, if I go here in the search bar and I type environment variable, and I go to my path, there is a chance that your computer, so by editing, your computer will have something like this, if it's Windows. And if I close the terminal and I open again, CMD, and you will see that I do have now some details. So this is not the pattern. Sometimes some applications will add that for you. You can remove it because we have to follow what the community process, what everybody else is doing. So just delete this and let's start from scratch. So basically what the guys are expecting you to do, what everybody that's running a Java application, for example, Maven, Eclipse, IntelliJ, they are expecting you to do. They're expecting that you have a variable called Java_home. And this variable should send you to the path where Java is installed. In my case, this is the path. So they are expecting this. So it doesn't matter where you install, as long as you have this little guy right here on the left side, making a reference to the place where the Java is installed, because they don't care about this one. They will get anyway when they tell, hey, where is Java home? Where is Java installed? So what we have to do is create this variable and use this as reference. This is what we're going to do now. Go to environment variables on your system properties. Just search here on Windows, just type environment or edit environment variables. Edit environment variables. And then search for environment variables. Go to the place where you have system variables and just create a new one. And just type Java_home and tell the value for this variable. Now that you have this available here, all the applications that are currently using Java will be able to find where the JDK is installed, because what matters for them is this name right here, and the value will come as a consequence, this value. Now, another good practice and a convention is to add the path, this Java home, to your path, because remember, here, when I went to CMD and I tried to install Java or just run Java, I got is not recognized as internal or external command. This is because I am in the wrong place. If I close this and here at my bin folder inside my JDK path, I would just change this to CMD. If I try to run Java, you will see it works, and Java C, it also works. Now, the thing is, I need to make this bin folder available everywhere. So how can I do that? By adding this to the path. So the convention is you edit the path, you create a new variable, and you use the following Java underscore home in between the percentage sign backslash bin. So this is what we are adding there. What does this mean? This means that Windows will replace this by the value of its variable, this one. So basically, in the end, it will be like this. Exactly what we want. The bin folder available in our path. So what are some common mistakes? So some common mistakes is adding, for example, or forgetting to remove the backslash at the end. So what's going to happen? Just replace this and you will see we have an invalid path. Same thing if they forget to replace or remove the backslash bin. So in the end, you just copy this and you replace, but I'm wrong path again. So just remember, no bin, no last backslash. Now let's do the following. We have this configured in our path, and I will press OK. Make sure here that you don't have the last backslash and the bin. OK. And I will open my CMD. And now I will type Java. I'm inside William, not inside bin. And Java C. And it's working. And if you want, you can type Java space dash version. And you will get the version we just installed. So pretty cool, huh? Now that we have everything installed, I think in the next video it's time for us to creating the famous hello world. So I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye.